Okay guys, this is just a excuse me, I've been having a cold. This is just a parts video to give you guys an idea. Now the gear cover, this is the 3-gear gear cover and the part number for it. It doesn't come with this cap. You'll have to order that separate as well. It just comes with this gear cover and obviously no screws. Then these are the narrowed gears that I showed you in a couple other videos. These are the narrowed gears that I'll be putting in it, and it's by this company right here. I ordered it off of eBay, so hopefully you guys can see the name and everything right there. And then this is the idler shaft by X Factory. This is for all AE 5 and 6 series, so this will fit the B6D, B5M, T5M, ST5M. This is carbon fiber, so a lot lighter than the aluminum one, so this will reduce our rotational mass, which is, you know, like we talked about in one of our other videos, key. And then this is the 3-gear transmission, the part number that I'll be using, the case I should say, the gearbox. And then here we have the Shell Racing's. Now this is supposed to be tungsten, these diff balls. It doesn't say that. I'm going to have to research this part number and make sure. And it has a ceramic cage thrust bearing in it. So these are the diff balls that I'll use for it. And let's do this next. And then this is obviously the MIP bimetal aluminum, all aluminum drive system. This is going to reduce the rotational mass a large amount. I'm going to do another video on weight comparison, a little video to compare the weight of these compared to the factory steel ones. Now they don't, you can still get this kit, but they don't make it no more. They're making ones with steel out drives right here, like aluminum rings and then steel out drives. But yeah, this by itself, if you just bought this and put it in there without adding all the extra stuff, it'll make a huge difference by itself. Now obviously we're running all titanium screws in this for lightweight. And the titanium screws, while I'm running them in the transmission, they're not load bearing, so I don't have to worry about that. Now we're using the, this is the lightest motor plate I could find by Jammin Products. You can get this on Amine Hobbies. Super light. 3-gear, obviously. And this is the lightest top shaft that I could find. There may be lighter ones out there, but this is the lightest one I could find. This is the MIP. As you can see, Echo all-in-one top shaft. I'll move my fingers so you guys see the part number. So this thing is awesome. And then last but not least, our bearings. Now internally, where bearings aren't facing the elements, we're using these Auroras. As you can see clear through them. There's no metal shield or nothing on them. Those will be on the inside. Now, the ones that face the elements, since I race inside and it's not dusty, it's not dirty, it's a hard-packed, wet, damp thing, you can see I'll have a metal shield on only the side facing outside of the transmission and nothing on the other side. And here's some more Aurora bearings, but yeah, these are all the bearings that I'll need. So that's just a real quick parts run over of what kind of parts I'll use. So yeah, I'll do a weight video and then I'll do a how to build a gear differential, and I'll go into more detail on using the difference between using tungsten diff balls, ceramic diff balls, and steel diff balls. Yeah, thanks guys.